The launch of Night is here, and with it a brand new privacy era for Web3. Now before you claim anything and before you redeem anything, you need to understand the network behind it. Now, back at Token 2049 in Singapore, we already teased what was coming. And today we can finally break it all down. Clearly, step by step. Because what's launching now is more than just a token. It's the foundation of a privacy-first blockchain ecosystem built for real-world use. Let's start with the network itself. Midnight is a 4th-generation blockchain designed to bring rational privacy to Web3. And the problem Midnight solves is simple. Most blockchains today are still fully transparent. Every transaction, every interaction, and even every piece of data, publicly visible permanently. Great for openness and terrible for anything involving sensitive information. Midnight takes a completely different approach. It's a new layer 1 that uses zero-knowledge cryptography to enable selective disclosure. That means your data stays private by default, but can still be verified whenever that's necessary. And that balance between privacy and accountability unlocks use cases that traditional blockchains simply can't support. Regulated finance, enterprise applications, identity systems, and consumer apps where privacy is essential. And Midnight doesn't start from scratch. It's built as a partner chain to Cardano, inheriting decentralization and security from day one, while also introducing a completely new privacy model designed for real-world adoption. Now, with the Midnight ecosystem coming online, the network is launching its native token, Night. And if you took part in initiatives like Glacier Drop or Scavenger Mine, your allocation is now entering the redemption phase. So here's how it works. Eligible users can log into the official redemption portal, where you'll see your Night allocation, your personal thawing schedule. Night doesn't unlock all at once. Instead, allocations thaw gradually across 4 phases over 1 year. 25% unlocks at each thaw event. Your first unlock date is assigned randomly within a 90-day window, and the remaining unlocks each happen 90 days later. This creates a measured and transparent release of tokens, aligned with the long-term growth of the network. And as your Night unlocks, you choose. Redeem each phase as it becomes available, or wait until everything is fully thawed. So what exactly is Night? Night is a native token of the Midnight network, and it anchors long-term participation, governance, and protocol incentives. But Midnight's tokenomics introduced something unique, the cooperative tokenomics model. Night continuously produces dust, and the network's execution resource used for shielded transactions, private smart data execution, and metadata privacy. And here's the most important part. Dust is not tradable. It has no financial value. It exists purely to pay for network execution. Users don't need to hold or speculate on gas tokens. They simply use the network, and Dust makes that usage possible. Now, by separating long-term ownership, Night, from day-to-day execution, Dust, Midnight enables privacy at scale in a way traditional blockchains never could. Night will launch as a Cardano native asset, giving it immediate liquidity and ecosystem compatibility. And starting in early December, major exchanges, wallets, and custodians are expected to announce support for Night. And for the latest list of supported partners, always check the official Midnight website. Some exchanges have also confirmed distribution support for users who hold qualifying assets during the Glacier Drop. And if that applies to you, contact your exchange directly for the details. Now, this launch is more than a release of a token. It marks Midnight's transition from early access into a fully decentralized, privacy-enabled network. And looking ahead, Night will power on-chain governance, decentralized block production, ecosystem development, and long-term protocol incentives. But the bigger vision is this. Midnight aims to become the privacy layer for both Web3 and Web2. Not by hiding everything, but by delivering rational privacy, designed for compliance, usability, and real-world scale. So if you're eligible for Night, now is the moment to check your allocation, understand your thawing schedule, and take part in the next phase of the Midnight network. This is the beginning of a new privacy-first era in blockchain. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you at the next one.